Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hopefully you all are fine. Now open your SST reading book. Come on the page number 1. And in this page there is your unit 1 geography lesson 1 the earth in space. Beta, you know that we already have done this lesson with its work page. Now today we are doing its question answers of page number 5. Now open your copies and prepare your page for classwork. First you write down your date, classwork with margin line. Then you write down unit 1 geography, lesson 1 the earth in space, topic question answers, page number 5. Page number जरूर mention कीजिए. Now question number 1 is describe the shape of the earth. What is this shape called? In this question you have two parts of questions. Now answer is the earth is like a huge ball. Its shape called a sphere. Now question number 2. Explain the difference between rotation and revolution. Answer is rotation is the spinning movement of earth on its axis. It causes day and night. Now the circular movement of earth around the sun is called revolution. It causes change in seasons. Now question number 3. How are the seasons causes? Answer is the revolution of earth round the sun causes change the season. Now question number 4. Where on the earth's surface is the sun hottest throughout the year? Your answer is places that are close to equator are hot throughout the year. Now question number 5. Explain what a globe and a map are and the differences between them. Answer is a globe is a model of the earth. The earth is so large that we cannot see all of it at once. The globe shows what the earth looks like. Now maps. Flat maps are used to show parts of the earth. It needs a title, scale and a key. Now question number 6. Explain why there is complete darkness on the North Pole for 24 hours a day in December. Answer is there is a complete darkness because the Earth's axis towards the southern hemisphere, the rays of the sun cannot reach the North Pole. This is done. Question number 7 is skip. Now note down your homework. Draw a pic of page number 4 on copy. Okay. Allah Hafiz.